influence, yeah. See me moving, yeah, I glow up. Every time I show up, I can flip my switch out. They act like they know us, but they ain't no dog, I'm big dog. Asking if it's still a flex, say they better go ask Booyah. Never think I'm gon' check, better pull up like woo. Come to place and I'm the best, I ain't worried about none who y'all. 24, no rest, stand on bending, I'm too tall. Thought you was a threat, I do real life, do no tip attack on the internet. Will I do that? See, I've been a threat, and I've been a threat. Thought you knew that way, I'm catching checks. I don't owe no debts, I've been through that. See you SOS, SOS, see you SOS. Need a life vest, need no mic check. SOS, 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 see you SOS. We don't talk checks, we get to it. All in for the jackpot. Every time I want the last shot, championship ring. Want to start from a mascot. Went to rollies from a G-Shock. Brand new kettle, no teapot. You should know I don't play. Go sicko mode like I'm T-Scott. Eagle vision from the treetop. Went to image from a green dot. Never had no limit, but I had some Reeboks. Keep it humble, but the fees not. In the game, no free spots. But I earn what's mine. Nothing less, I'm a shine. Thought you was a threat. I do real life, do no tip attack on the internet. Will I do that? See, I've been a threat and I've been a vet. Thought you knew that way, I'm cashing checks. I don't owe no debts, I've been through that. See you SOS, SOS, SOS. See you SOS. Need a life vest, need no mic check. SOS, SOS, SOS. See you SOS. We don't talk checks, we get to it.
behind the mercy rules. So y'all gotta
and we get ball first.
Hey, real fast, guys. Just y'all pay attention real fast, guys. We are competing against ourselves at this point. All right, your job is to make yourself better. Find something you need to improve on. Find something you need to do better, and do it better than the second half. I can tell you a lot of my guys that are making these tackles. I think it's phenomenal. You guys are getting to the ball, but it's very rare that I see anybody actually tackling lower than the waist. You guys are still tackling up high. So if you come against a big guy, where's Cash at? Cash, that was an awesome tack to the ball, but I can promise you, come against a big guy that knows what he's doing, and usually with his stiff arm, you're gonna fall. So y'all aim for the thighs, right? We're aiming for the hips. Get them. I tell y'all in practice all the time. Get down, keep your head up, hit them with your shoulders. So I want to see people.
Shout out to 8U football for doing a great job the first half. Let's keep it going and finish the game. Amen.
I want to shout out each and every player. Most of all, I want to shout out my nephew, Ryan. Have a good game.
Boom, this Coach Ollie, halftime shout out to the 8U Wilmington Lions. My boy First Play Zay, number 13 out there doing a thing. Go Lions.
Ready?
Let's go, Lions!
Let's go, bro. Let's get it up, bro. Let's get it up. Let's get it up. Let's get it up. And he got it. You ready, Maul? You ready, man? You gotta flush somebody. You got it up.
You got it! Go, Grayson!
Daxton ba?
We get to it, yeah, we do it, yeah, I go up. We influence, yeah, see me moving, yeah, I glow up. Every time I show up, I can flip my switch
Okay,
out.
cool, look at you,
They act
boy.
like they know us, but they know dog, I'm big dog. Asking if it's still a flex, say they better go ask booyah. Never think I'm gon' check, better pull up like woo. Come to place and I'm the best.
Get a fumble for the last play.
24, no rest. Ain't no been it, I'm too tall. Thought you was a threat. Do no tip and tap. On the internet. In a benefit. Thought you knew that way I'm catching checks. I don't know no debts. I've been doing need a life vest. Need no mic check.
Gang. Hand out.
All in for the jackpot. Every time I want the last shot. Championship ring. Went to start from a mascot. Went to Rollies from a G-shot. Bring no kettle.
And so it
You should know I don't play. Go sicko mode like I'm T-Scott. Eagle vision from the treetop. Went to image from a green dot. Never had no limit. But I had some Reeboks. To the home, but the fees not. In the game, no free spots. But I always nothing less, I'm a shot.
smile for the camera.
Y'all take to the game, okay?
Game, guys.
All right, everybody on me. Let's go. On me.
Wait for it. The old man and the light skinned boy, pop top. Pop your top. Hey, let's give it up for ourselves, guys. That's a good job. Week 1, we handled business. We came in here and said what we needed to do. Y'all did it. The score is 40-0. We actually scored like 60. That's a lot of points. I ain't seen that many points scored in pot 1, but guess what? It's not gonna get no easier. It's gonna get harder and harder. Somebody gonna hit y'all in the mouth. But what we gonna do? Are we gonna get up? We gonna cry? Or we gonna get ready for the next play? All right. Y'all did an amazing job. Now I gotta ask my wife, what is wrong with you? What's wrong?
He wants some more.
Man,
He
boy,
wants
that's
some
well.
more.
That boy-
He wants some more.
He wants some more. Give it up.
He wants some more. He mad that they ended our game early. We want more smoke.
Great job. I don't even hold y'all long. We got the snacks. Snacks, man, get y'all up out of here. I'm
missing
going
my
to
piece.
sleep. See y'all at practice on Tuesday. So tell your parents Tuesday. And when y'all come in on Tuesday, Monday is off. It's a holiday. When we come to practice on Tuesday, guys, let's come with some attention. Next week, I think we got Thompson. Thompson's going to be a little bit better than this team. They're going to be a little bit more disciplined. But the same rules apply. We're going to hit them in their daggone mouth and keep our foot on the gas pedal. Yes, yes? Yes, sir. Attitude check. I said attitude check.
Take them jerseys off.
Let me get those out there praying and we take the jerseys off and snap.